We have treated thousands of patients, and every patient has their own stories, and it's plenty of stories that you cannot even hear, or you cannot manipulate, or you cannot understand, because every story is worse than the other. But one of the stories that we recently received, a 40 days old patient, as a result of explosion, and this kid, when we received, he was already amputated, and he has to go to the operation theater to undergo urgent below-knee amputation for him to survive. So 40 days old, to go to an operation like this and to lose his limb, and as well at the same time he lost his whole family. So sometimes we don't know what to say or how to react on such situations, because no mind can absorb or can understand what his life will be like, or how he will grow, or how he will survive all these difficult situations that he has been put in. But as I said, like, all the stories are very difficult, so we try our best to help those patients, but sometimes there is little things to do, and sometimes you cannot even hear to all those stories, because it hurts, and everyone has his own story. But for you as a health professional, you cannot hear all the stories, and you cannot live all those difficult situations. This is our duty, this is our message to the world, that we are humanitarian workers, and we need to do what we have to do to help our patients. They need us the most now, so we cannot leave them doing nothing. So that's why we continue. We have the resilience to continue and to give more and more to our patients, and we will continue to do so.